Cedric Teuchert!
Yeah, we really need to build on our physical capacity. It's not where we want it to be at the moment for various reasons. First of all, we need players to be able to play 90 minutes, and we need a lot of energy from players coming on as well. And for various reasons, we don't have that at the moment. Again, there's no secret with all the injuries we have and have had. Players coming back from injuries also, so they're not ready for those 90 minutes. So it's a puzzle, to be able to have that energy that we want for 90 minutes.
So you had as starters Teuchert and Pompeu, and they scored. Are you going to try this strategy once again?
Yeah, we will see. I mentioned the other day as well. Whoever scores or gives assists and works really hard will play. This is a position also up front where we fortunately haven't had that many injuries. So there are a few of them. To choose from, and whoever shows good form in giving us points and hard work will play.
Definitely the question, what went wrong, different opinions. Obviously after a game like this, feels like a loss. Especially because we knew about the importance of this game for the fans. We wish we could have win this game and close the game out for us, and unfortunately again it didn't work out the way we wanted.
What was your opinion on what went wrong?
Yeah, it's always difficult to say. If you concede a set piece, it's a lot of mentality. Like, do you really want to win the ball more than your opponent? And in this moment, when we conceded 2-2, I don't think we were even close to winning that header. The first goal is an easy 1-2. In my opinion, is harder to defend, but still we have to do something. Like, it's not the first time they tried to play 1-2. I think they had a chance before where they did that, and it was just too easy for them to score a goal. If the guys, for me, I'm very concerned. Obviously, I wasn't there for the team now for 8 games, I think. So, and now coming back, starting really well and still not winning a home game is I don't know. It's hard to explain. Like, I don't know exactly what the reason is that we are not good enough to win games, but I'm happy to be back, and I'm trying even more next week and on Saturday to get that win.
it's a game that we up 2-0. We have chances to kill the game, to finish them, and we don't. And football punish you when we don't take your chances. And then we let them come back 2-1, and then header. I mean, in my opinion, you just gotta be able to learn how to kill games, how to finish. 3-0, 4-0, it's over. They give up.
So what's it gonna take to, it's been 2 months
Yeah.
since you guys,
It's very tough to talk, because we can talk whatever here, and then we gotta show in the field. We gotta do something more. I don't know, because I felt like the fight was there today. Everybody was fighting, everybody was being aggressive, stepping up, running. It's just, after a game like this, it's tough to talk, but I don't know, man. It's very easy to, it starts in practice. We gotta go again. But we gotta show in the field. It's so simple. We gotta score the goals when we have the chances. And then it's 3-0. This game is over. We win, get off to 3 points. But no, we didn't. We let them come back and got punished. It's tough when you play 5 minutes, then you play 90, and then you play 15 and 90. It's tough. But I try to be ready for when they want me to be there. They want me to today for 90 minutes, and I was ready. And whatever they choose to put me, I wanted to be versatile enough to play in any position. Today they choose me to play as a wing back, and I think I already played a couple of games before in the past in that position, so it wasn't like something very new for me. But yeah, I think it was a very solid job until a couple moments that I can do better, that I see myself. I always think like that I can do something better. What can I do better? What the next goal I could score? Like I could do this. So I'm very critical with myself. But yeah, I think it was okay. It was in a position that I'm not used to play every time. But I think it was fine. And if they need me to play this role as a left wing back, I can do it for sure.